When it comes to construction and infrastructure development, accurate surveying is crucial. Leveling surveyors play a vital role in ensuring that the land is properly leveled and prepared for construction projects. In Lajpat Nagar, a bustling neighborhood in Delhi, the need for experienced leveling surveyors is evident. With the rapid urbanization and development taking place in Lajpat Nagar, it is essential to have professionals who can accurately assess the topography of the land and provide valuable insights for construction projects. Leveling surveyors in Lajpat Nagar are equipped with the knowledge and skills required to conduct precise surveys and measurements. They use advanced surveying equipment and techniques to determine the elevation and contours of the land. This information is crucial for architects, engineers, and construction companies to design and plan their projects effectively. By hiring experienced leveling surveyors in Lajpat Nagar, developers can ensure that their projects are built on solid ground, minimizing the risk of structural issues in the future. One of the key areas where leveling surveyors in Lajpat Nagar excel is in the design of sconces. Sconces are decorative wall fixtures that can add elegance and style to any space. However, their design requires careful consideration of factors such as height, placement, and light distribution. Leveling surveyors play a crucial role in this process by ensuring that the sconces are installed at an appropriate height and angle to provide optimal lighting and visual appeal. Their expertise in surveying helps architects and interior designers create aesthetically pleasing sconce designs that enhance the overall ambience of a room or building. In conclusion, leveling surveyors play a crucial role in the development of Lajpat Nagar. Their expertise in conducting accurate surveys and measurements ensures that construction projects are built on solid ground and comply with regulatory requirements. By conducting thorough surveys and assessments, these professionals identify any potential risks or structural weaknesses that may compromise the integrity of a building. This helps architects and engineers make informed decisions during the design and construction process to ensure the longevity and safety of the structure. From accurately measuring land surfaces to designing sconces that enhance the aesthetic appeal of buildings, these surveyors are equipped with the necessary knowledge and tools to deliver high-quality services. Their expertise ensures that construction projects in Lajpat Nagar adhere to safety standards and meet the aesthetic requirements of the city. Whether it's leveling land surfaces or designing sconces, these professionals are an integral part of the architectural and construction industry in Lajpat Nagar, Delhi. Leveling surveyors in Lajpat Nagar are equipped with the knowledge and skills required to conduct precise surveys and measurements. They use advanced surveying equipment and techniques to determine the elevation and contours of the land. By hiring experienced leveling surveyors,